gonna show all the ingredients. This is pepper, garlic, and onion. And this is what we're gonna use. Jeera masala, salt, and jeera, okay, turmeric. Okay, this is all the ingredients for the pumpkin. And here is the pumpkin we cut up earlier. Wash and cut up, okay? Alright, let's get started. Gonna put some oil in the pan. And garlic, and the onion, and the pepper. Okay. Then you put all this stuff in. Put some scallion. Now everything is in here, now it's boiling. Mix it up. So let it cook. Alright. It's cooking and I'll throw in the pumpkin. When it's almost finished, you guys can taste if you need more salt and pepper. You know, you can always add, you know. And chunky this, air dry down a little, and then you add the pumpkin. Nice pumpkin curry and roti. Can't beat the pumpkin curry and roti. And roti, we have our roti. And we have either later. So I work at NYU, and I also cook there too. You know, once you guys get to know and subscribe to my channel and get to know me, I can, you know, make a lot of different things for you guys. Like, I know a lot of cooking American food, you know, but you know, we Guyanese, we cook Guyanese food. Also, I cook a lot of American at workplace. I make a lot of dish workplace. Alright, I gotta cut this. I'm gonna cut this video, can't be too long. I only have like 3 minutes. I'm gonna show you the next step, alright? Alright, show the pumpkin in, okay? And let this mix up, and then you let it cook with its own water, and then later on you can add a little water if it get too dry. You want it a little loose, all depends how you will like it. You know, you like it not too dry, you like it a little loose. You know. Let it cook until it's ready. Give it a few minutes. Alright, see you in a few minutes. It take like about half an hour. It all depends on the pumpkin. Sometimes the pumpkin is cooked faster, sometimes it take a little while. But this is not Guyana pumpkin, this is like a Spanish pumpkin. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys. I'm sure the part when I almost finished. Alright. This is the steamed pumpkin, the curry pumpkin. And then add no water, it's losing its own water. See how it is in the pot? It's losing its own water. Alright. In about 10 minutes, we'll be back. Check on it. I'm gonna add a little water. I see that I need a little water. Add a little water, half a cup. To have it to get cooked, right? Here's a few minutes, let it cook. Guys, watch to the end. Like the video, subscribe. All right. See how the pumpkin is cooking. All right. Add a little more water. Like I said, I like mine a little wet. That's gonna be another half. All right. All right. Continue, guys. Continue watching to the end. Pumpkin is almost ready. See how it is. Almost there. Nice. A little more cooking. Still got a little bit of pieces. Alright. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Should be ready. Almost ready. Nice. Pretty pumpkin. That's good. Alright, look how beautiful the pumpkin curry look. It looks so delicious. Guys, simple. It's not hard. Just got put all the stuff together. Ingredients: garlic, onion, you understand? Grinded pepper, jeera masala, and curry powder, and turmeric. Fry everything up with some oil. Dash in the pumpkin, add a little salt and pepper, and that's it. Simple, very simple pumpkin. Eat it with roti later, okay? Alright.